Hey Brian, my name is Sergio with Metro Design. In this screencast, I'm going to show you three things that you can do to help bring more customers to your business, like exterior remodeling. Now, Joe is the owner of the agency, but I'll be guiding you on how we will work together growing clientele. Now, the first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, Brian, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. I found by giving people an easy tap in at the things that they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in those local owners' stories in their hands of saying, I like you, can you please do this for me? So if by the end of the video you like what you heard, you see your skills out to help the business grow and land more customers, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take the screen tap in and try it out yourself, that works for me too. Now before you try to do it yourself, let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. The first thing I want to go over is your content. So in order for your business to be fully optimized with Google on the content side of things, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words filled with keywords. And since you don't have an operational site yet, which is totally fine, we can get that up here soon. I'll be going over one of your competitors, Western States Construction Incorporated, and they do business in roofing, siding, and windows. Almost the same things that you'll be doing business in, correct? Well, in comparison to your competitor, Western States, they have about 762 words throughout their homepage, which is very beatable. Now, this just shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. And every month, people are searching for these certain keywords a number of times, which you miss out on not being number one. And as you can see when I pull up this tool, Ahrefs, that I have, you can see what a site is actually ranking for. And as you can see, they have 154 backlinks, 33 from the domains, 70 organic keywords, and that's all bringing 12 traffic per month. So when I click on their organic keywords, I have to sign back in. You can see the keywords that they are actually ranking for. And you see that they're in the third position. They might have went down in value, but they should be in the first. Now, being in the first position will bring you the most traffic out of the volume than anyone else. And KD is just how hard it is to rank this certain keyword. So now you know a little bit about what goes into keyword, which is all throughout your content, volume, KD, traffic, and position. The next optimization section I'd like to go over with you is citations. Pulling up a search for exterior remodeling Bradley, Illinois services, you can see that they have this map pack, or Google Map, doesn't really matter what you call it. But inside the Google Map, you have the business name, the address, and the phone number. Now this is called maps, name, address, and phone number. So you're probably asking, hey, how do I make a maps? Well, to answer your question, I pulled up this resource called WhiteSpark, and inside the resource they have a local citation finder. So I did a search for Western States Construction, and you can see that they have about 33 citation sources. And you want your citation source to double to what any competitor in the local area would be. So double or triple would be better, so you can beat anyone out by a landslide. Well, these citations, aka naps, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, CStar, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area where you can submit a citation. So now that you know a little bit about what goes into a Google Map and how to rank through citations, you can see that I have another important aspect I need to tell you about, and that is backlinks, or link juice. This is what gives your site authority. So you can see when I did the search for exterior modeling in Bradley, Illinois, you can go past the map pack. We'll go back, and I go past this map pack and see the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, all throughout the first page of Google. But you want to see that Western States Construction is still on the first page, and that's a business that is listing organically. Now this is where you want to be, and to get there you need to be out the competition in every aspect. So this link juice, some people works like this. Site A is working for Site B, therefore Site A is acting like link juice, which gives Site B more authority in Google's eyes. Almost like a popularity contest. But there's more than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites that come back at you. For example, if you were to have Western States Construction linking back to you, it'd be a lot more effective than a pizza linking back to you because you don't sling pizza for a living. Now I'll pull up Ahrefs again, right? And I go back to its overview, and you can see that they have about 154 backlinks. Well, the cool thing about this tool, and I pay about $100 a month, and it's great for checking out any links that sites may have to offer. But you can see they have about 149 backlinks that you can take. Yep, you can take all of these and make them your own for your site. Well, Brian, the three things I talked about today were content, citations, and backlinks. So for your content, you need to be at your competition. You have 1,500 words to your homepage, and 500 for any service page or location page, and 250 for the employment contact, or about page. And this will get you fully optimized and put you in front of any competition that doesn't have what you have for content. Keywords go into the content. Keywords are very important. Now, we do our research individually, and we can tell you that keywords is the biggest optimization section throughout your content and will rank you above anyone else, bring you more traffic. So the second thing I talked about was citations, right? Citations. So you need double or triple the amount of citations that any competitor in your local area would have. So he has 33, so 66 to 99 citation sources would put you above your local competition in your Google Maps area. And the last thing I talked about was your backlinks, right? So the backlinks, you need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google your authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be number one across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, Ryan, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. But however, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself time, give me a call at 515-468-3039. Once again, my name is Sergio. My number is 515-468-3039. I look forward to hearing from you. You have a great one.